Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to change the lock screen wallpaper automatically in this device. So in this device you can see the lock screen wallpaper is this one. So every time the lock screen wallpaper is same, it is not changing. So I will show you how to change the lock screen wallpaper automatically in this device. For this, go to settings. So here you can see the option home screen and lock screen. Tap on this one, then scroll down, tap on the option glance for Realme. Tap on this one. So turn on this option, activate on lock screen. Turn on this one. You can see two options, only glance stories, otherwise the wallpaper mix. So here I select this one. So if you tap on language and categories, go here, you can see some categories of photos you can see here. So from here you can easily follow any categories, and according to that following categories it will apply it on your lock screen. So okay, so all these are following in this device. So I will show you how it works. Just lock the screen, lock the device. You can see the lock screen is changing. Each and every time the lock screen wallpaper is changing in this device. So simply in this way you can change the lock screen wallpaper automatically in this device. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.